Welcome to this week's edition of Tiger Minute. Lancaster ISD would like to recognize October as National Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Our city held National Night Out this past Tuesday, where we had district and city leaders come together to promote safety and neighborhood unity. Money, 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 money! The Lancaster Education Foundation granted our teachers over $9,500 in grants. Thank you so much for always supporting our district initiatives. Our All Pro Dads mean so much to us, and Rolling Hills showed their appreciation by serving them breakfast this morning. Thank you for all that you do. The students at Beltline Elementary participated in the sock hop, where they are raising money for a literacy grant. And our GWC essay contest winners were surprised by lunch from the Lancaster Fire Department for their topic on the importance of staying in school. Today is Friday, so it's Fun Day, and LMS rewarded their students with a Fun Day social complete with food, music, and dancing. Our lady volleyball team took on Forney this week. Great job, ladies. That's all for this week's edition of Tiger Minute. We'll see you next week.